The burgundy, the cherry red was calling you, girl, okay? Calling. Hey, sis. Okay, now wait a minute. Well, hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Kie Rashon. Today's video is brought to you by Outre. They were kind enough to send me another unit to review for you guys. Now, before we get into the install of the specs and what I think about the unit straight out the pack, make sure if you're new to the channel, you go ahead and subscribe and smash that notification bell so you don't miss anything else coming up. Also, give this video a thumbs up if you want to see more videos like this in the future. Let's go.
Let me lay it on the line. I got a little freakiness inside, and you know that a man has got to deal with it. I don't care what they say, I'm not about to pay nobody's way, cause it's all about the dog in me. I want a freak in the morning, a freak in the evening, just like me. I need a roughneck brother that can satisfy me, just for me, if you are that kind of man, cause I'm that kind of girl. I got a freaky secret, everybody's saying, cause we don't give a damn about a thing. Cause I will be a freak until the day, until the dawn, and we can all through the night to the early morn. The morning I will take you around the hood on a gangster league, cause we can any time of day, it's all good for me. I wanna keep it up, now there you go. That's just one.
Okay, so like I said, this unit comes to us from Outre. It is brand new from the Melted Hairline series. This is the unit Kamalia. I got her in the color DRFF2/cherry red, and she does retail around that $42 price point depending on the site that you get her from, and there could also be a $2 to $4 upcharge depending on the color that you choose. This unit does come with a normal cap construction, so HG lace from ear to ear, 2 combs on the side, 1 comb in the back, and the adjustable straps. This unit, I would say, how it's fitting on my head right now is big head friendly. I, however, do not have on my wig grip because I did spray this unit down, and I'm also not wearing the elastic band with this unit because you guys know my head is big, okay? 23 inches on a bad day. I had to make sure that I was going to be able to wear this joint for the rest of the day without my temples pulsating. This unit also comes with the left side part. You guys know how I feel about left side. It don't hit the same on me. I feel like I be feeling off balance, but you know the left side need love too, so you know, whatever. This is a high-tex fiber unit, and it's heat safe up to about 400 degrees. I did use heat on the top of my unit just around my parting space because it was a little bit humpy around there. I also used some products on the hair to get the flyaways under control because they are all over the face, okay? If you wear lashes and lip gloss, you in trouble. So use your wax stick, your got to be free spray, your hairspray, your sleek and shine, whatever you got to do to get your flyaways under control and away from the face, okay? Because if not, you're gonna be kissing hair all day, okay? And I ain't trying. They ain't cute. The texture of the hair is very, very soft. It gives me a very nice wearable texture that's not itchy or scratchy on my skin, and I'm here for it. The back of the unit feels a little, I wouldn't say thin. It's not thin, but because it is a ventilated cap, if you have any type of pum-pums in the back of your head, you may run into some trouble. Make sure your hair is flat as possible in the back so that you don't have any surprises when you walking through the mall. That's what you don't want. You don't want to see the back of your head on the shade room, okay? We don't want that. I don't feel any gaps, but I can definitely feel like my hair that's right here, and I can definitely feel my hair that's right here. So if it's gaps back there, I guess we're seeing it together right now, okay? I'm just... The last couple units that I've tried from this collection have not been up to standard, okay? However, they definitely came back to redeem themselves, and I'm not mad at their submission, okay? I feel off balance, god dang. It's definitely giving off that natural pre-plug hairline, which I love. It also gives us natural wispy baby hairs. They are a little long, so you will need to go in and kind of, you know, chop those out a little bit. Now, if you recall from my last melted hairline wig review, I I was saying how that one seemed a little bit cheaper than what we're used to. I think it was like $34. This one is almost $10 more, and I get the hairline. So I don't know if those last drops were like a test run to see if we could, you know, add in that type of unit for the melted hairline, or if that was just like a one-off thing. I don't know, but I know this is like the normal price point for these units, as well as this is the normal hairline for this series. Listen, this unit is sitting, you hear me, sitting on my head nice and pretty. And before you say I can't see the color, look, here's the color right here. Okay, you see it. The only con, oh, I wouldn't even say it's a con, the only preference that I would say I have for this unit is the layer that's right here. If you look on her card, she has a layer on the side as well, but hers seems a little bit shorter and more flowy. Mine is kind of just like limp, it's just falling here. So if I want to, I will go in and cut, you know, this a little bit shorter right here, but I don't want to do that. We still gonna do what needs to be done, okay, and did. Okay, so what we thinking? Anytime I see a wig in the Burgundy family, I'm jumping on it, okay? Giddy up. Me and Burgundy are here, okay? We here. The Burgundy, the cherry red was calling you, girl, okay? Calling. Hey, sis. If you haven't tried a Burgundy unit, here's your sign, okay? Here's your sign to do it, sis and Gary, because I know he looking like I want to try it too. Okay, Gary, okay, I got you. She's giving a look. I'm not mad at her. It's just that I wish it was the right side part. I wish it was the right side. It got me about to tip over. I can't, This is definitely giving me more of like a glam look, and I'm not mad at it. My auntie would have rather seen this unit during the cooler months, just because it is a lot of hair and it is long, but you can pin this joint up, you can pull it back into a ponytail, you can still rock her in the hotter months. So yeah, it is what it is. The color is serving everything, okay? Shout out one more time to Outre for sending me this unit. I really appreciate it. This unit is selling out quickly, so I will put some direct links for this unit down below, so you guys want to check it out, you can. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share this video. Also smash that notification bell so you don't miss anything else coming up. I love you guys so much, and I will see you next time. Bye.